Welcome once again into this channel. This is the Flippy Review Center or PRC, and what we have here is a problem. So we're going to complete this equation. So as you can see here, we have a variety of operations. So this would fall down into our topic under PEMDAS. And as you can see as well, we have a variety of kinds of numbers. We have a percentage form, a fraction, a decimal, and a whole number. So to proceed with this one, we have to understand first that the situation in this one, we are going to put this under the rulings of PEMDAS. So the first thing that we're going to solve here is the multiplication from left to right. This one under PEMDAS is what we're going to solve first. So that would be 1/2 multiplied by 0.2. If we are going to multiply this one directly, we will have a denominator of 1 here. So we will multiply 1 by 0.2 and 2 by 1 here. So we will have 0.2 over 2. So we will now going to simplify this one by dividing 0.2 by 2. So the number, this will be divided by 2. 0.2 divided by 2, that will be 0. And then we will have a decimal point here. 2 divided by 2, that will be equal to 1. So therefore, the answer or the product for this one is equal to 0.1. So we're going to make it more clearer. So what's left would be 30% plus 0.1 divided by 2. So in PEMDAS, the next step would be we're going to divide. So we're going to divide 0.1 by 2. So dividing 0.1 by 2, we'll introduce 0 here. I mean the decimal point there. And then we will have 0.1 divided by 2, that would be still 0. We introduce another 0 here. 10 divided by 2, that would be equal to 5. So therefore, the answer for this one, the quotient for dividing 0.1 to 2 is equal to 0.05. So the last step would be adding that one to 30%. And as you can see, if the form is having still a percentage symbol, therefore we can't add this one. So we need to convert this one into its decimal form first before adding. So therefore, the decimal form of 30% is 0.30 or just 0.3. So adding that to 0.05 is very simple. You just have to align their decimal point. So therefore, that would be just like that. And you're just going to simply add. So you have to align the decimal points. And then just add 3 and 5. So therefore, we have now the answer. And that would be equal to 0.35. So you may convert this one into its percentage form by multiplying to 100%. So the answer for this one could be also 35% or 0.35. You may also convert this one into its fractional form, which is equal to 7 over 20 or 7 over 20. So the answers could be this one in decimal form, this one in percentage form, or this one on its fractional form. So now we have these answers for this problem. So this one is quite fun to solve but very easy and very basic. So I hope that I have refreshed you from solving these types of numbers. So I hope that you have learned something from this one. This is PRC. Thank you for watching.